I work here in Hong Kong since 1991 with one employer.
Zenny 今年57歲，由菲律賓嚟香港工作23年，一直都為同一個僱主打工。
My employer's family is just fine. They treat me good. That's why I can stay here longer.
Zenny 話最初嚟香港用咗近1年時間適應呢一度嘅生活。佢覺得要香港人接受自己，必須先主動表示友好，亦都要積極融入對方嘅文化。
我有幾錢啊 ？This one。
呢10蚊。點啊，兩股啊！
佢又認為普遍香港人對外傭嘅態度都好友善。去街市買餸，菜販都會教佢點樣揀啲食材。
Some are really nice. If you don't know, they can teach you. This one is like this. This one is like this. Sometimes they say this is potong for potong. What will you buy? You want for steam?
會唔會怕同佢哋溝通啊？
唔會，冇咩人咧，怕咩溝通啫？我哋都講差唔多同呢條線嘅，企喺同一個水平嘅，講嘢好容易溝通㗎嘛。
僱主 Wendy 係一間外傭中介公司嘅老闆。佢話當初都冇諗過 Zenny 會喺佢屋企做咁耐。對於點樣同一個原本係陌生嘅人喺同一間屋相處23年 ，Wendy 話最重要係互相關心同埋重視對方。
佢有咩事咧，我哋都好關心佢，唔使佢做啊，同埋同佢睇醫生啊，咁又關心佢，又關心埋佢屋企啊，咁樣，即係變咗係2個 family 就夾埋，就好似1個 family 咁。有時我哋都好笑，好似嗰陣時搶鹽咧，佢又去搶，15蚊一包鹽，搶咗翻嚟，我哋都笑。
Wendy 話對屋企嘅外傭好，最終受惠嘅其實都係自己一家人。
佢點會回饋於我咧？佢唔會話錫我噶嘛，佢都係話啊做翻佢嘅本分，佢就會表達喺我個女身上嗰度。
Angie 今年27歲，4歲開始由 Zenny 湊大，一早已經將對方當成係自己屋企人。
由細到大，佢譬如有好多課外活動啊，返學放學都係佢接送嘅，咁所以一諗起都係諗起佢。有好多時都可能係真係半個阿媽咁樣噶啦，因為佢又湊我起居飲食啊。
Zenny 有1個仔1個女 ，Angie 覺得佢唔多唔少將對仔女嘅感情投射喺佢身上。
錫㗎，嗰個因為我好中意食芒果嘅，咁佢每次去菲律賓翻嚟都會帶啲芒果啊，帶嗰啲 snacks 俾我食嘅。
I treat her as my own. You're very far from your family, and then you're nearer to her, and then you are the one who take care of her. Of course, your affection is more on her.
成日都因為工作接觸外傭 ，Wendy 話觀察到唔少僱傭衝突，主要原因係雙方溝通不足。
嗰個僱主投訴就話：佢打雞蛋都唔識㗎。我都問佢點解你覺得佢唔識？佢用個匙羹嚟打個雞蛋，都唔係喺個鑊邊度打。咁我就解釋俾佢聽，因為喺菲律賓或者係印尼咧，佢哋未必係用我哋中式嘅鑊，就變咗平底鑊。平底鑊個鑊邊咧比較厚嘅，咁所以打雞蛋唔係咁順暢，就變咗佢哋會用匙羹嚟打雞蛋，就唔代表佢唔識煮咯。咁呢啲係一個習慣性同埋呢個即係文化差異。
每個禮拜日 ，Zenny 都會同朋友同埋喺香港做嘢嘅親姊妹喺 Wendy 公司提供嘅活動室聚會同埋煮嘢食。
唔使去 Causeway 啊？唔使，唔中意去。
佢嘅親友都喺香港做咗嘢好多年，佢哋認為香港嘅僱主並唔差。
I'm happy because my employer is good to me. They treat me as a family.
Zenny 嘅仔女已經大學畢業出嚟做嘢，佢計劃4年之後返菲律賓。最唔捨得就係 Wendy 一家。
If you have good memories, you have a good relationship with the family you work with. Of course, you always think of them also, as if they are your family in Hong Kong.
其實如果 Sandy 真係而家即係嚟緊唔做或者走嘅時候，你個心情會係點咧？
我會喊，其實就咁講下都會想喊。哎呀！
點解咧？
好似同我講話阿爸唔喺度啦，咁樣我都會想喊。咁做咗咁耐。
好多人都投訴啲工人有問題，亦都好多工人投訴僱主有問題。其實彼此都唔會有惡意，或者嗰啲工人嚟到唔會有惡意去傷害你香港啲人。香港僱主請得呢個工人，都唔係想要終止呢份合約嘅。文化差異同埋嗰個言語嘅溝通問題，我初同阿 Sandy 咁，如果我哋解決得好咧，我哋就可以有今日咯；解決得唔好咧，可能都係問題嚟嘅。
楊名嘅係東張西望。
有團體鼓勵每日俾小朋友1個鐘自由遊戲時間，但係大部分家長都話難以實行。家長應該點樣為小朋友安排遊戲時間？星期二檔案，下星期二晚7點，翡翠台。以下